started. Whoops. Oh, we didn't do our intro. Well, we'll have to do our intro when we're done.
I thought you was gonna.
Well, I should have done it before I put the camera out there. That's okay. How do I look now? Do I look good? My hair look all right? Okay. Welcome back, viewers and subscribers, to Red Button Journal. As you know, we forgot to do the intro before we went on our trip. So we're going to have a few videos with me sitting on the veranda telling you what we're going to do. So welcome back to Red Button Journal. I already said that. Today, we're going to drive from the St Thomas Technical High School. And we're going to go from there. We're going to do a little round up through. We're going to go through past Orange Walk. We're going to go through Golden Grove. Check that out real quick. And then we're going to drive over to Amity Hall. And we're going to drive through there. And just before we leave town, we're going to stop and get some ackee. And that's where we're going to cut it off, is at the ackee. So that's about it for the intro. All right, people, we're going by the school. I don't know if you can see the school there, but you can see the little...
Oh, St Thomas.
Yeah, the St Thomas Technical. Yeah. And just a couple little houses along in here.
Orange Walk.
And it's called Orange Walk. This little community is called Orange Walk.
You know, it was the estate who owns all these places, so these houses were estate houses.
Speak up.
And staff would get them to live in. There were some smaller ones on the other side.
Yeah.
But no people get them to buy. They were sold. Yeah. Since the estate has closed down.
Okay, people, I wanted to give you a little update. Yesterday, should I tell them about what I did yesterday, what I ordered? My camera?
No.
Yeah, ordered a different camera. That'll hopefully be better quality and show things better. It's got to come from foreign, so it'll take a while. And hopefully it'll be importable because it does come with a battery. So we'll have to wait and see. The other thing, and this is exciting, I took a little break yesterday while I was doing my cleanup of my memory on my iPad that I do my editing on. And while I was doing that cleanup work, I took a little break.
The farther one first.
Oh yeah. And so we'll turn up here and go through or do you want to go this way first? Let's go this way first. Let's go to the left first here. Anyway, so I did a little, I've been wanting to get a different outro music at the end because it's costing me.
So why aren't you're videoing this?
Yeah, it's videoing right now.
I thought you'd be telling them where you are.
Oh yeah, I'm in Golden Grove. I'm sorry. That's your job. I'm doing I can't do two things at once. It's not your job to tell them where we are.
But they have passed through most of it already.
Well, no, but not the side that they're going to see stuff on. Yeah. I'm going to turn around now, see? Go back through. Anyway, people, I used to use a lot of music with drones and stuff, but I don't have a drone anymore. And so I had an agreement with a company to be able to use their music, and it was costing me quite a bit of money. The only part of their music I've been using is my outro music, so I found a better deal. So starting with this video today, you're going to hear some new outro music, and I'm anxious to see what y'all think of my outro music. So be sure and leave us a comment and tell me if you like it or not. I really like it. So even if you don't, I'm probably going to stick with it. So I don't know why I'm telling you to leave a comment. You know? You think that's funny what I just said? Huh? You think that's funny what I just said?
Tell them where you are, that's what you want to.
Oh, we're in Golden Grove, going past the police station and and such. And we're getting ready to go by the gas station.
It's just a small community.
Just a small community. Golden Grove's not that big.
But it's a busy place.
But actually on the map, if you look at Golden Grove, it even includes a lot of other places. There you can see the sign there. Duckenfield, Dalby, Mansionale, Port Antonio. You notice how I said Duckenfield right when I read it. I need to put it in front of me spelled out so I can do it right. Well, there's a few little places up in there. I could have driven up in there, I guess, but that's okay. I was so concerned that I was going too fast, you know, the other day, but everybody seemed to enjoy it. They really like the new setup. Now, one thing I am going to do today, people, I got to try to speed up my editing process.
Will they open this place now?
Excuse me. I'm going to try to speed up my editing process, which means I'm not going to do all the framing. I'm just going to let the camera run as is. And we're going to see if you all like it the same way. So up here we have
Golden Grove.
the Golden
All-age
Grove
school.
Primary School, sweetie?
All age or primary?
All
school?
age, or is it?
Let me see. It's primary. All age and infants. Golden Grove Primary and Infant School.
Okay. In Foreign, you know, they just have kindergarten and grade school and middle school or junior high and senior high and high school and stuff. But the Jamaica education system is called it different things, and I'm kind of learning
Which is the same.
It's just the same. It just got different names.
All age or primary.
And
It's just the same.
and I think the way they do it here in Jamaica is more like they do it in the UK, where they have the, what do you call it when they take the tests and they go to the next, what do you call those tests?
Like you have the grade 9 achievement test.
Yeah, but then they have the subjects thing. That they
Oh,
have to
the
pass.
O levels and the A levels.
Yeah, they have all those different subjects.
GCE,
Uh-huh,
O levels and GCE, A levels. A levels the
Yeah.
higher one.
Here's the hardware store.
It's the same one in Hampton
Oh, that's
Court.
the same company.
Yeah. I know they had.
But that's the same one that was right next door too. They've always been the same company.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Well, that was pretty cool. Let's go down this way a little ways. See what we see. Now, what I've done, people, just, you know, to see how you like it, I've got the camera aiming so you can see the straightaway, but also so you can see to the right-hand side, so that if we go by houses and things, you can see those, but at the same time, you can see down the road. So if something doesn't seem quite right when you're looking at the camera, that's why. And I had somebody mention that it looked like little clouds or something, and I know what they're talking about. It's on the pavement. And because of the way the interlacing and everything works, I'm not sure I can get rid of that. Okay, people, I shut the camera off for a second and previewed so I could see what this looked like. Now the new camera, you'll be able to preview the whole time instead of just when I shut it off. Anyway, I'm just gonna let the camera run, and when I do my edit, I'm just gonna show you the one view, because it literally takes me like 4 hours to do a 20-minute video. If I try to, after the fact, do the zooming and all that. So it's a lot, and a lot of you commented you really like the wide angle. And so that's what we're gonna do. And if we ever take a road trip, I might try a wide angle that the camera sits really wide on the front, like a dash cam almost, but it'll be much higher quality, you know, because this camera is much higher quality than a dash cam. So, and I can aim it to the side, and so anyway, these are all the plans I have to try to make a better experience for y'all. So what do you have to say about all that, Madge?
Sounds great.
That's, you know, that's about all I did yesterday. Is just I did backup after backup after backup, and I don't know, someday I'm going to run out of backup space, I suppose, and then I can delete some of the old stuff. But I like to keep stuff around in case I ever want to resurrect it and maybe do some changes or something different. So, all right, we can see the sign in front of us here. It'd be cool to go to Rawlings or Rollins Field someday. And then Bath is to the left, and we've been there. And then Boston Bay is 34 miles, and you can get some jerk there. And Erie, and where's Erie Castle? To the left, towards Bath.
Yeah.
Yeah, I want to go there, and towards Boston Bay and Port Antonio, we go past Amity Hall.
Just pay attention to this road.
And you want to go to Amity Hall today, right? Someday we ought to go down this road.
Wherever you want to go.
I'm kind of liking this Rollins Field idea. But I don't know. That may be one to where I set the camera straight. You know?
I think it's a lot of...
It's rough? You know, oh, so I want to do...
It comes right down to... I don't know if how it is now, but the road is...
I'm looking at some different options, people, to be able to set up the camera for y'all so that you can have the best viewing experience. And I'm really, really pleased with the comments I've been getting lately. I haven't had anybody calling me names and stuff. I guess they've all moved on, so that's a good thing. Oh, look at the Scotchies. Look at the Scotch bonnet peppers. Yeah. Woo!
And color, look.
We're gonna have.
Color is there too.
I ought to turn around. Well, we'll see them on the way back. On the way back, people, we're gonna. I have to go real slow right there because, ooh, there's some Scotch, a whole field. Somebody's got a big farm there. So it's very nice, very nice. Anyway, I've really been getting some nice comments, and a lot of people.
They like what they're seeing.
Yeah, they like what they see. They like this area. A lot of people said they like the wide angle. I've only had like one person that kind of likes the zoom in, and I'll occasionally do that if there's something really of interest. Like when we go by that farm back there, I might zoom in on the peppers when I'm going the right direction. And maybe someday when I'm independently wealthy, I'll get more than one camera so I can do both sides at the same time. But then you all would have to have two TV sets in your house.
Oh, that shit there. Somebody shit there.
Huh?
Who that checking there? Look how vehicle that.
Is there somebody what? Waved?
Somebody waving, but I am wondering whose vehicle is that. I know the vehicle.
Oh.
Where that vehicle? I know that vehicle, but...
Well, we'll be able to watch it back. Maybe we might know. Maybe they're just waving for the camera. Wouldn't that be something? Yeah, y'all would have to, if I get two cameras, y'all are gonna have to get two TV sets. So I don't know how that's gonna work. You know? How many of y'all have two TV sets? We just have one. You know, when we lived in foreign, we did get a different one time, and or no, it was when we joined forces and got married and moved in together after we got married. You had one TV and I had another, and so then we put the one on the wall in the bedroom and the other one in the living room, and we just brought the one here with us, and then it didn't last. Or did we even bring the one with us? I can't remember now. No, we sold it. Oh, I can't even remember all that. That's been so long ago now. You know, sweetie?
Yeah.
Can you believe we've been here? You know, it's been about, what, 3.5 years? Wow. We love Jamaica. You better believe it, people.
November coming is 4 years.
Huh? Yeah, yeah. In like February or something? Okay, we're going by the Amity Hall Primary and Infant School on the left, which y'all can't see.
It's out of the way too.
Yeah, I can see the advantage. You know, some things you can't really see on the left-hand side. I mean, some things you can't always see on the right-hand side unless you're going a certain direction. And other times, so you need to be able to see on the left-hand side. So, in the end, you all might have to get a second TV. All right. Oh, this is pretty. This might be the lady you bought from that one time. Remember? Didn't you buy some ackee from somebody right there one time?
It was the person gave me breadfruit.
Yes, she lived up.
It's not there. It's.
When, oh, she didn't. Oh, they live down somewhere.
It's up more, I think.
Yeah.
Because it's a big house.
Yeah. Oh, look at the. What are those? Are those ackees that aren't open? Oh, that almost look like some sort of peach or something. Huh.
Peach don't grow out here.
I didn't think so. So it must have just been a real plump ackees.
It's right here, so we bought the thing right here.
Oh, that's just.
And the lady live right over.
Oh, this is pretty here.
And the lady live.
Yeah. Oh, over there.
That house down there.
Oh, okay.
The breadfruit was no good. They were big, but no good. See,
these are the guys doing the road work. Wow. Okay. Wow. Okay, camera connection lost. I don't know how long that happened. Let me check it and see what's going on. Maybe my camera overheated with doing everything the way I was doing it. Got it. Well, it says it's still going. Oh, we just lost it for a minute, but it gained it back.
This place that we were passing, and they make the place already until they're going up.
Oh yeah. Boy, look at the view they're gonna have too, people. Woo!
And look at they're going up again in another store.
Yeah. Oh, you can see Holland Bay from here.
Because when you're down that, you can look up here, so you must see here and see it. Yeah,
look at that down there.
I know, you can see.
If we knew where the crocodile place was, we could point that out to everybody. You know? Wow. Isn't this comfy? Comfy, comfy, comfy.
Yeah, some nice house.
So, more safe. I have two hands on the wheels, people. I don't have one arm stuck out the window. Got two hands on the wheel.
Oh, they have hockey again here, so
oh yeah.
The one down there so look pretty.
Yeah. The ackee really come in up here.
I could get
A lot of trees.
I'll get some ackee when I'm going back. You see different ears too. Different things coming at different times.
Oh,
Same thing with the mangoes.
Is it because of the altitude or the way the temperature happens to be a little different because it's just regular, you know, weather's different in different places, the amount of rain, all kinds of something, I suppose. I suppose it all can make a difference.
I don't know. It could be the soil and everything together.
Yeah. I saw some ackee when I went up to Little Chiswick the other day. It was real skinny. It just was a skinny looking ackee. I had to stop because I thought, what is that? What is that? Oh, look at that tree up there.
Pretty.
Or bush or whatever.
Oh,
that's
we
pretty.
see it in Kingston.
Oh, that's gorgeous.
People plant it in their yard.
Yeah. Well, That's kind of the end of town, right? I should probably turn around now. Once I get in the spot, I can. Kind of in a place where people can see me.
Yeah.
I want to get kind of a place where people can see me so I don't get broadsided, you know.
Yeah.
I thought it'd be right here, but with that goalie over there, I can't do it there. It doesn't matter. We'll just go down the road here a little bit. Talk and all right here, I think. It's a good place to turn around.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, somebody's got a house up in there, see?
Yes, somebody.
There we go. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay. Yeah, it's kind of, and they made their inroad, where there's kind of a straightaway, you know.
Yeah.
Well, it's a beautiful day, people. People, people, people.
Well, maybe should I buy ackee? Or maybe better I buy color, though. I don't know.
Well, when we get up here, we can decide. You can decide.
I don't want to, if I'm buying ackee, I'm not buying the fur. I'm gonna buy the last one.
The last one, it did look nice. And the tree that was just before it, on this side of it, I mean, just after it, was the nicest looking ackee tree I've seen. But it wasn't open, of course. But the ackee were nice and plump. Well, people, this is Amity Hall. A-M-T-Y? Is that how it's spelled?
A-M-I-T-Y. A-M-I-T-Y.
Oh, it's got
Amity Hall.
Amity. Yeah. A-M-I-T-Y.
It's on the sign too, I think.
Not this one, or go to the next one? Yeah, yeah. You know, one thing that people have trouble with cameras, like I've got this set up, is they get overheated, and so some of the settings I have could contribute to that. Where I've kind of set up some of the quality and stuff. So I'm hoping that it doesn't overheat. But I think as long as as I'm moving, I got a lot of air going past it. I think it should be good. It'd be a shame that if this doesn't work, because I think the people can really enjoy this. Really enjoy this.
Yeah,
you know?
nice house, I mean. Nice house. Going up.
Yeah. Yeah, I kind of wish people could see the view to the left. A lot of times I'm
But like, oh, this is high, maybe.
Yeah. See, that's the real plump one, and if I had...
Oh, these round, but some of them are long.
Yes, I saw one the other day that practically looked like a string bean. It was so skinny. Was this the one, or no? It's over here.
Yeah, it's some. It's.
Oh, I see. Okay. Okay. Well, let me pull up here without getting a nail and see if I can just pull up past here. You can jump out. I'm going to go ahead and pause that, I believe, while you're doing that, sweetie, because I don't want to risk overheating. Okay, people, we're going to...
Viewers and subscribers.
Okay, viewers and subscribers. Did I say that at the beginning? I don't even remember. But if I didn't, viewers and subscribers, we're going to sign off now. We've had a... I don't know. You know what? I'm sitting in the shade. I don't know if you'll even be able to see me with the bright background. You know what? I don't even care. Now, Madge isn't in the film with me because we're doing this kind of after the fact. But she's getting ready to do ackee. So she got her work clothes on, and she's getting ready to go through that ackee that we just bought. And she says it's really nice. Tell them it's really nice, sweetie.
Yeah, the ackee.
Yeah, tell them.
Yeah. Yeah, they are really nice ackee.
Okay.
One big and nice.
Yes, you heard it right here, people. So, be sure and, so thanks for watching. Oh, and tell me what you think of our new outro music. We've got new outro music going on. So, be sure and like, share, comment, and subscribe for the latest from Red Button Journal. I'm not going to show you, I'm just coming over by you so they can hear you, sweetie. For the latest from Red Button Journal, big up yourself, bless up yourself, blessings and respect.
Amen.
Amen, and stay safe and comfy. Later. What do you think? You like my new stay safe and comfy?